I just got my hot chocolate and my eyes are watering because of my allergies. And now I'm gonna head to the office and get a bunch of stuff done because in a couple weeks I'm going to Washington State. So I need to get all my ducks in a row ahead of time so that I don't have to worry about working while I'm on vacation. I'm out here at the lot because I come out to the lot almost every single day, if not twice a day, even though I know darn well they're not doing anything to it because right now we're on hold until we find out about this right-of-way variance that we might need. So I don't know. I just like to come out and look at it. But it's day, let's see, 35 of the build. And it's also Jarrett's birthday. That's my brother-in-law. He's a writer. I'm going to put the link to his books down in the description box. So if you're a reader, you might want to read those because they're awesome. It's kind of like a sci-fi genre. I'm not actually sure. Futuristic kind of thing? I don't know. I don't know what he labels himself as. Maybe he doesn't even label himself. But he sells books and you should buy one. That's the gist of this. So I'm going to show you guys the property and just kind of explain some things again about where we're putting what. Over on this side is where our master is going to be. This area right here is going to be the closet, and then we have the laundry room like right over here, I think, because it comes right off the master closet, so I'm assuming it's going to be right over here. It seems like really small. Like, how's everything going to fit? I don't know. I'm not good at math, and I'm not good at, I guess, judging distances and depth. Who knows? So anyway, this first part is going to be the closet, and then the next little middle section is going to be where the master bath is, and then of course the back part is where the bedroom's going to be. And then this middle section is where the living room is, and then over here is where the kitchen is, and my huge, it's gonna hopefully be like a 5x9 island, but I'm not sure. We'll have to see. Okay, the front porch starts from right over here and goes all the way over to where it pokes out just a little bit over here, and that's the front porch. We have a design plan for the front door. It's going to be a craftsman style with 3 windows at top and then a wood panel door, and so I like it. I was wanting a transom window, but it kind of puts us over budget, and it's not that important that I get the transom window. That was just kind of like a wish list. Over here on this side, there's going to be a bedroom right here, and that's going to actually be my office, and then there's a Jack and Jill bathroom here in this corner. And we recently moved the vanity around from one side that was going to be by the window, and now it's on the other side. I'll show you that when I get back to my office. And then over here behind this Jack and Jill bathroom is the guest bedroom, and then behind that is a hallway where the half bath is, and I'll show you this on the sketch, and then the 3-car garage. Made it to the office carrying all my stuff, and now I'm gonna go work on listings. I'm going to figure out when I'm going to go by my brother's and give him the passes. I'm going to figure out what I'm doing for the next couple weeks because we're going to go on vacation, going to Seattle, Tri-Cities, Washington, and Portland, Oregon for 8 days. So I've got to figure out what we're doing there. Do I have all the reservations made? What am I going to do? What do I need to get done before we leave? All kinds of stuff. So it's going to be really, probably a boring day. Unless I go to my brother's. Hey guys, I got a last minute appointment with my nail lady and my pedicure lady, so I'm gonna head out there, and then I'm gonna head out to Frisco to give my brother the tickets. So this is where I go and get my nails done and my toes. I'm all done, and this is my nails. I don't know if you can see, it's probably not focusing. Oh, but let me show you my toes. That's how my toes turned out. I like the color. I don't know what color it is that I have on my toes, but I always get OPI colors. I don't know, I don't ever try any of the other brands, but also I think it's called like Oh So Mysterious or Oh So Secret or something. I don't know, but I like it. I'm back at the office, and I'm going to get ready to go show one of my listings, but I have to change my pants first because I've got on my sweatpants because I want to go get my toes done. So. Quick changeroo into my realtor outfit. It's not really an outfit, it's just colored jeans. Okay, now I'm headed home. I spent the last several hours balancing my checkbook and going through some listings, answering some questions, helping a friend look for a rental home, and a bunch of other stuff. But tonight I'm going to show you some of those plans for the house that I was mentioning earlier when I showed you the lot. Okay, as promised, because I know there were some of you guys waiting like, is she going to show us? Yes, I'm going to show you some of the updates that we've already done to the house since our preliminary plans. And Captain is hungry, clearly. Okay, this is the faucet selection for our master bathroom, the Jack and Jill bathroom, and then the half bathroom for our guest. And it's just simple, sleek design. We chose the finish brushed nickel. We could have chosen chrome or bronze, but we prefer brushed nickel, so that's what we're going with. Are you hungry? Okay, well, I'm talking to our viewers. Yeah, I'm just sharing about the faucets. Okay, I'll show them where your cat food's gonna go and stuff. Okay, all right. Next up, we have the shower head selection for the master bath and the Jack and Jill bathroom, because it's going to have a shower head in that too. And again, brushed nickel, because that's the finish that we like. And this is for our kitchen sink. It's just going to be the one faucet with the pull down. This little thing pulls down, and then you make it hot or cold over here. And apparently there's not going to be a back plate. I don't know what that means, but it's not going to have that. I guess this thing down here it's not going to have. I don't know. It's going to be in brushed nickel as well. Okay, these are the changes that I was talking about for the office area. This sink right here, this vanity was over on this side, but that's a window, and we were going to have to do some build out to kind of compensate for that, and we decided not to do that. We decided to move it back into here, which of course ate up part of this closet, but that's okay because it's the guest closet, and in theory I won't be using that for storage very much. Hopefully hardly any at all, because we have plenty of storage in the rest of the house, and I don't need that much junk anyway, right? So we're going to move the vanity to over here, and then I'll still have this area. I don't know even what I'm going to put there. Maybe a plant. Marvin says no to the plant because I kill plants, but you know, whatever. That's rude to say that, right? Right. This is the original front door design. We were going to have the transom window with the windows on the side and then a 2-panel door, but we've changed our mind. Are you hungry? Okay, well, let's get that taken care of. Okay, this is the door that we're going to go with. We've chosen it. We don't have a color yet. I'm thinking a dark color like charcoal gray, espresso. Oh, are you hungry? Okay, well, give me just a few more minutes. So this is still a Craftsman style door, but there's no transom window at the top. I really kind of wanted a transom, but it would add about 200, I think he said 250 or something like that to the price of the door. So I was like, okay, that's okay. We don't have to have that. But it is a 42-inch wide door, so it is wider than a regular door, or a standard door, I guess you could say. And so I do like that because I think it'll fit the space better. I think our entryway is like 8 foot wide or something like that. So I just think the wider door would balance it out better. It does have 3 windows across the top. It does not have the dental molding. I didn't really care for that personally. And it does have the 2 panels, which I like as well. So this is our front door. So now Marvin's on his way home, and there's not really much else happening tonight. Sending out a few more emails, working a little bit more on my real estate. So nothing super exciting. But tomorrow we're going back to the fair, so tune in tomorrow and see what fun we get into. We're also volunteering at the fair from 2 to 4, so if you're out at the State Fair of Texas, come to the petting zoo and see us. We'll be like there, not petting the animals, we'll just be there watching. I don't even know what we do in the petting zoo area. I guess just watch people and make sure nobody tries to pick up the animals or something. I'm not sure. I hope I get to pet like maybe one of the pigs or just like some of the animals, because that would be fun. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. I'll take you along with us, and you guys can enjoy and experience it as well. So until tomorrow, I'll see you guys later. Bye.